Hey guys, this is Endall, and today I'll show you how to do the trick that I posted last week. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, here's a quick little demonstration. So, I have my coin here. I'm going to make it disappear with this clear glass. And to make it reappear, all you need to do is just rub the top, and there we go. So the trick is that there's actually a piece of paper right here. It has to be the same exact color as your background. So I used a white piece of paper, and all I did was just cut out the other piece of paper out of it. So just like this. And after that, I just grabbed my cup and I drew a circle with a pencil, just like that. After that, I went and grabbed a pair of scissors. I cut a rough circle out of it. Just make sure it's a bit bigger than your cup so you can glue it. When I mean gluing it, you just grab your glue stick and you just glue the rim of your cup. And then once it's glued up, just grab it and you stick it onto your piece of paper. After a couple minutes, it should be dry and your piece of paper will stick to your cup. But if you notice that there are edges that are overlapping, all you want to do is just grab your pair of scissors and just go around the cup and just cut like this. And then I'll just make it very nice and uniform, just like that. And then after that, all you have to do is just some acting. So you can grab like your hand, or even just like the handkerchief, put it over, and then there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next week.